Nicknamed the Melby, the sophisticated, fully furnished 2022 Waterfront penthouse offers ocean-to-river resort living, dock accommodations, and superb walkability, making it an ideal primary, secondary, or investment property with no rental restrictions.
Located on the 4th floor, this luxury condo is full of bright, natural light, stunning upgrades, and a split floor plan comprised of 3 bedrooms and 3.5 baths, with all bedrooms being en suites. This is one of just 5 total units with 2,291 square feet, the largest footprint offered in Harbor Island Beach Club. As the best buy in the community, this unit provides western exposure, long-range Indian River views, stunning sunsets, and quiet living as it's set back from A1A. It is also steps from the resort-style amenities like the pool, cabana, 42-slip community marina, parking garage, and fitness center. You can expect peace-of-mind living as a 2022 concrete block build with current hurricane and code compliance, plus impact windows and doors.
The luxe interior upgrades differentiate this unit from others. This home includes 12-foot ceilings, 12-foot sliding doors in the living room and owner's suite for expansive views, a frosted glass front door with transom windows, wood plank tile flooring, Hunter Douglas automatic blinds, dimmable lighting, a gourmet kitchen with quartz counters, a large eaten island, Jenner appliances, a wine bar with a wine fridge, a Sonos sound system, and an approximate 35 by 8-foot outdoor patio with a glass balcony for unobstructed river views as you dine, entertain, or enjoy cocktail hour. Design details like herringbone floors in the entryway, mullion glass door kitchen cabinets, wainscoting accents, and brass fixtures are just some examples of the thoughtful artistic touches.
The large primary suite has sweeping river views, balcony access, his and her custom closets, and a stunning spa bath for relaxation and rejuvenation. There is a large glass enclosed walk-in shower with dual shower heads plus a rain shower head, a marble feature wall, a soaking tub with a wall-mounted faucet, and dual vanities.
Embracing waterfront living, this unit is fully furnished with an understated coastal ambiance and exquisite designer features such as oyster shell chandeliers. Ideal for a seasonal owner or investor, it's outfitted to immediately accommodate Airbnb enthusiasts with furnishings, smart features, lock storage, secure key access, and detailed operation directions.
Harbor Island Beach Club is a new beachside community where you can walk, bike, or golf cart to the private beach access and local beachside eateries. Publix is a mere 2 miles, downtown Melbourne is just 3 miles, and local favorites like Melbourne Market and Dijon's Village Market are all within 5 miles. We hope you enjoyed this tour. If this property piqued your interest, we'd love to connect.